Hello guys, today I'm so excited. I'm gonna share with you 3 business that can make you at least $1,000 per week. I wish I knew this business when I started online. But now, these 3 business are the best way for people like you and me who are broke to start making your first $1,000 per week online. If you are enjoying what you're watching right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I share tips and tricks to help you make money online effortless. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to make money online. My name is Sylvester and I'm here to share with you the 3 business that myself I use to make money online. The third business made me $100,000 last year alone. I mean 2023. So stay tuned because I'm gonna share with you. While you are waiting and watching with me, let me drink some of my tea right now. The first business that we're gonna see today will be a business that you didn't think about, but this business has a potential to make you thousands of dollars effortless. You don't have to do great investment. You don't just have to follow along with me and the screen. So the business I'm talking about is the TikTok shop. The TikTok shop allows you to create a shop even if you don't have money to invest for free. You have to be in one of the eligible countries to be qualified for a TikTok shop. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, I don't have nothing to say. I don't have any product, physical product. How I'm gonna make money with this? It's easy. So you will have to join one of these 2 websites, Printify or Printful. Printify or Printful, they are print-on-demand company. What they do, they allow you to put design on t-shirts, on mugs, on posters, or on anything that you can sell online. So the best part of it, you just create the design. So when the design is sold, you just keep the margin and they take their investment, or they take the money that they use to produce the product for the client. So how you can make money with this on TikTok? Let me show you example of shop making thousands of dollars on TikTok shop. Easy. So you see, now I'm on TikTok. You can see if I scroll all the way down, let me go to this shop on TikTok. You can see they sold over 1,000 units in this product. Over 1,000 units in this product, just make a simple calculation. It's something around almost more than $20,000. More than, let's say $50,000 this person is making. I don't know how long they take to sell all these, but they just post video related to the product and they put the link of the product and the video. So whenever someone try to buy, someone call, no, not calling, someone just click on the link and buy this beautiful product, the t-shirt or the mugs, the company like Printful or Printify will have the address of the buyer. They're gonna print it out and send it to the buyer for you. And you keep the margin. This is the first business. So it's easy to do. The investment to start is very low or insignificant. You don't have to spend a lot of money just to start. So are you ready for the second one? Yes, I know. I know that you're gonna like all these 3 businesses that I'm gonna share with you. Because me, I use all of them and I make money using them. So let's see the second business that you can start if you are broke right now and if you don't have any other alternative and you want to start a business that can generate you money per week, like at least $1,000 per week. I would start a KDP business, like a Kindle publishing business on Amazon. Amazon allows you to create books and sell them on the platform for free. You don't have to pay to spend nothing. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, how I'm gonna create these books because I don't know how to do this. It's easy. You're gonna create what we call some journal. Some journal, what I mean by journal, it's just book with blank page with only line. So people can write their IDs, their thoughts, and everything that they want. they want just what to remember, they just write them down. So the only thing you will need to do is create a cover for the book, and you create some interior. The amount of page depend on how many pages you want to put, but at least I would suggest you to start with like 100 pages per journal. That is one example. It's easy. So you want to create this. There is an application that myself I use, which is Book Bolt. It allows you to do the process easy. You just put the line and just boom, you click and you find all the template just for journal, and you can find for every type of notebook that you want to create, and you sell them on Amazon. Let me show you example of one of my book that is ranking on Amazon. So you can see this one. So it's cute and cute bird and insect coloring book. So if I tap this keyword on the search of Amazon, let me show you. I am almost on the second page of this, as you can see. So people keep buying this on Amazon because they want the kids to create design, or when they are free to color, to make some coloring on some book. They want just to color book. So you come as like someone that create these books just to help these kids to create books in their spare time when they are not really available. So now come to the third book, the third business that you can start, which is one of the business that I spoke a lot on this channel. It's pay-per-call business, making someone take the phone and make a phone call. Anytime you do this, you make at least $50 just by making someone calling in a phone number. There are numerous companies ready to hire you just to give them people that are gonna call them. They don't have to buy nothing. They just have to call. They just grab the phone, they make a phone call, and you make money. So how it works? You join some companies like Market Call, Offer Globe, or you can go to Offer Vault, which is a platform where you find all the pay per call companies. You can see they are paying from $50 or even up to $1,000 just per phone call. Let's say for some companies like some lawyers, some dentists, some carpenter, some electrician companies, they need leads. They need people to call them. They want people to say, hey, I need your service. I want to know how much you're gonna charge me to do this, to do that. Like for HVAC services, companies will want people like you and me to bring them people that are gonna call in a phone number. So what you do, you just apply for some of these offers, and when these companies approve you, they're gonna give you a phone number. It's like a tracking phone number that you're gonna go to Google Ads. I teach people how to do this properly. You go to Google Ads, you create an ads, and you create an ads like call only ads, where people will have to call in a phone number. Example, now I'm on Google. You can see this is example phone calls. This company put their number so people can call them. So let's say you are the affiliate that put this on Google as an ad. So anytime someone calls, you make $50. Just imagine per day, if you generate over 10 phone calls every single day, you would make more than $500 every single day. So $10,000 per month is nothing, or $1,000 per week is nothing with this type of business. So guys, I hope this video bring you a lot of value, and if you do have questions, don't forget to comment down below. And before you go, if you want to see me again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. This video was just to show you the potential you have when you are online. These 3 businesses can change your life. If you take them seriously, you can start making your first $1,000 per week. My name is Vanel Silvestre. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.